everybody, and in today's video I'm deep cleaning the downstairs of my house, so I thought I'd take you along with me. While I do my house clean, I'm also wanting to declutter. If you didn't know, I moved in about 4 months ago, and the issue is with my house is we have stuff, especially from my old house, but we don't have storage. For example, drawers. There's some drawers that I want to get for my office that I just haven't found ones that I like yet. So I just have little bits and pieces lying around. We don't have storage for shoes, so I have some just under the stairs. So I really want to get things put together, declutter the house, make it a really nice space so I can just feel like I can breathe. I've been so busy with work, we've had the Christmas period, and I haven't really had the chance to do that yet. So it'd be nice to be able to get started with this and just start perfecting the house and making things how I want it to be. We have the cleaning cupboard here. I want to get some organization for in here, but right now I'm just going to grab what I need and then we can just start cleaning. As I'm doing a huge deep clean, I'm going to be using a whole bunch of products. So for example, this Febreze fabric freshener, the Flora Power Bathroom Disinfectant Cleaner, Power Hob Mr. Muscle Window and Glass, Viacal is for like getting rid of lime scale, floor cleaner, polish, oven cleaner, and then a few other bits. I got these, they're quite good. They're good at getting rid of marks and all sorts of things, so I'll probably be using those in various areas of the house just like clean. But I just wanted to give you a rundown of all the products that I'll be mostly using. If I use any others, I'll show you, but they're all here in the beginning. The perfect way to start a clean is to have a nice cup of tea waiting for you to drink while you have been hard at work and you can go back and have a break. To start off, I'm going to be cleaning the dishes. I've actually been baking, so there's more clutter on the sides than usual, and I feel like it's important for me to clear this up so I can have as much space as I need to do the cleaning.
Stranger, traveling through this world of war.
Once everything is put away, I'm going to clean the sink basin, and I'm using Viacal as it's good for getting rid of lime scale, as I'm noticing there's a slight buildup of this on the side. This stuff also leaves your metal feeling nice and shiny, which gives it a nice and new feel, which is what I also love.
I'm going there to see my mother. I'm going there.
I'm now going to wipe down the windowsill with some Zaflora, as I find that a lot of dirt splashes onto there, so I just want to make sure it's nice and clean. I'm then trying to carefully climb onto the counters and wipe down the windows with the window cleaner, as I don't know if you can see, they're looking very grubby and I have no idea how that's happened. Once the window is cleaned, I'm going over to the countertops and just wiping that down with Zaflora, and I'll just be doing everything. The countertops, the ovens, the cupboards, the microwave.
I know my way is rough and steep, but golden feet stretch out before me.
One thing I do to save me time is any crumbs I just wipe onto the floor during my cleans, because I'm going to vacuum it up anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference.
I'm going there to see my father.
Now, I'm wiping down the inside of my washing machine because I know they're prone to growing mold and I really want to avoid that, so I'm hoping that maybe putting Zaflora will work. I'm just going to empty all the clothes and then do the inside of the doors for the same reason. I'm now going to be using hob cleaner to clean the top of the oven. Now, I'll be honest, this is my first time ever using a gas stove, so I'm still figuring out what are the best products to use, so if you do have any suggestions, please comment. I'm then just going to use Zaflora on the backsplash and just wipe that down too. Now moving on to the oven, I'm using Zaflora on the glass, but then on the inside I am using Mr. Muscle Cleaner, which, oh my gosh, the fumes were awful. I then vacuumed while I left it for half an hour, and I was just picking up all the crumbs and everything else that's on the floor. I then used an attachment to pick up all the pieces that were hard to reach and clean the floor. So I used this mop, which actually has a feature where you can put the water in and you just spray as you go, which has been an absolute lifesaver and made cleaning a lot more easier for me.
I'm going left.
Now, going into the lounge, I'm just cleaning everything up a little bit, so just organising the cushions and then decluttering the table, which I just put all of the bits in either the bin or the dishwasher.
Now I'm just going.
I then vacuumed the floor, which I actually found a piece of glass while doing this, which was not ours, so I don't know how long that's been there, and that could have been a hazard. I wanted to go to town with the vacuuming, so I literally did all the sides and hard to reach areas, and then I wanted to do the sofa. It was new, so there wasn't many crumbs in there, but I just wanted to make sure I keep on top of it. I then used my favourite feather duster and just mopped all of the dust off the TV, the surfaces and everything just to make it nice, and then wiped it down with this multi-surface polish. It's the next day, so we're going to continue cleaning. I ended up stopping just because it was getting dark. That's the only downside with it being winter, so I'm just picking up the next day. All I've got to do in the lounge is clean the windows and just freshen everything up a little bit, and then we'll continue with how I usually clean. I wanted to freshen up my fabric, so I sprayed the carpet, the sofa, the curtains with Febreze, and it just made the area smell really nice. And then I'm using the window cleaner to wipe down the windows, as again they were getting a little grubby. I am then using the multi-surface polish to wipe down the drawers, so I'm just moving everything, wiping it down bit by bit just to cover everything without making too much mess. Next, I am cleaning the floors using the mop, so I'm just going to be doing the hallway and then the downstairs bathroom. Now using the Zaflora bathroom disinfectant and just spraying down all the surfaces and giving them a nice deep clean. Outside of the toilet with the same product too, so just going over the bowl, the lid, etc. And then on the inside I'm just going to use some toilet bleach. I have finished cleaning the downstairs and I think I'm going to leave it at that for this video. We are having a lot of work done upstairs, so there's no point me cleaning at the moment. But I'm happy with how everything has turned out downstairs. It's looking a lot more calm, decluttered, and it's just a nicer space to be in. So I'm happy with how everything is looking. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cleaning content as well as countryside lifestyle content, which I'm excited to bring to you a lot more frequently in the future. So yeah, I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!